start? Where to start? Alright. Well, why am I going down? I need another chair. Anyway, well, I got an engine for the car. Yeah, engine end up mash up. Water run all about in the engine. Considered to sell the car. Yeah, no, wait. Engine mash up. Well, I bought a car with a broken engine. My friends, namely Nick and Quiet, this I said, well, put in the engine myself, whatever. Put in the engine. Start it, bare water all about. Water everywhere water. Water go through tailpipe, exhaust. Yo, yeah. Decide say yo, I'm gonna go take K. Change my mind, so I'm gonna sell the car. Sell it as a shell. Same time we discovered another mechanic bug, and friend to friend, and then we end up fix back the car. No, I have the car, it's driving, but just I run through the whole process and let you see what happened during the time period. I was kind of away for a very long period. I was in a very depressing state, down in a well somewhere. I'm back out, and hopefully we can continue this build. Not an easy journey, I should tell you. Not an easy journey. But check it out. Oh, how can I forget my partner for doing my hair? Anytime it looks good, it's her. When it looks bad, it's still her. But yeah, and big up my friend them, you know what I mean? Cause them I help through the process. Not lie, they played a big role in all of this. And along this journey, I'm discovering, well, during this corona period, I've decided to learn a new skill, which is electrical. Well, more like I didn't have a choice because I couldn't really go anywhere and the money wasn't really there. So I just started learning on my own, and so far I've made a lot of progress. I've wired out the car, I connected VTEC by myself. I've learned a lot, and what I've learned is that patience goes a long way, and little steps actually they do matter. Before you know it, yeah, top shot electrician. Cause me move the battery by myself. And I didn't know that these things are so easy. I mean, know if me go somewhere else, and they'll probably charge me around like 5 to probably 10 grand. But learning process, and I'm enjoying it. Okay, so we're here at Sully, finishing the electrical work. Hopefully we get the car started today. Facing some issues currently. This looks like one huge mess. So I moved the battery from out the engine bay and put it around here along with the fuse box and a bunch of other wires. saying I was going to do the white one myself, and it's just a lot of confusion. So I'm hoping to get it started today so I can try it. We got the car started. Real McCoy. Well, we're gonna start the car again. People, this is it. Engine in, engine out. More headache. Headache on headache. This a film upside down, as I was saying. This is it. The head warp, block warp. Yeah, just ay. So, okay, people. So this is it. Right now, I'm considering to get a K20. Yeah, just going do away with the dinglers completely. Journey with this car. The headache start already. But yeah. This has slowed up the process of holy. And it's similar now we're gonna do right now. Just wait. Probably it'll take the next 3 months to get another engine, but yeah, just so what I'll be doing in the meantime. It's never easy. You see a car, you work on a car and then bam. Some mistake and it kinda costly, but this is a car world. Yeah. So I'm at Bert's and I came to buy my jack stands. Yeah, doing some free ad for Bert's Auto. Yeah, so I had to make sure I get all my discounts. I don't know if you can hear me properly through this face mouthpiece, but whatever. Yeah, got my jack stand for a reasonable price. Thank goodness for the privileges of my job. The car is currently the rims, so I guess I got to jack them up.
I do what?
What going on for this?
Wait, stop it first and then start over back.
Another 6% today, no much like that. You tell us there's something wrong with it, you know? No, there's something wrong with it. Yo, let me want cutting plan.
Put it You don't make one over the city. Andre, back here, sir.
Good. Why not them, eh?
See them there on.
Run it.
Boom, buckle.
Okay, yeah.
Push fast. One it finna there. Push in.
That's a mic.
Hey! Push in. Careful.
I thought this
Yeah, so that's that. I hope you watched the full length of the video. Please do like and subscribe. Support my channel, cause you know it's the support that makes you want to make the videos. When you have people commenting and whatsoever, even if they're bad comments and people trolling. But yeah, just subscribe, like, and follow me on Instagram at 876 Ragamuffin. Yeah. Yo, yeah, and big up to Team Harbor Racing, yo. Yeah, new bad group. All about it. Yeah, shout up. Drop 2 video upon this.
Nice.